We've had a lot of big changes in our group here. We're very well known for our Western Lowland Gorilla group here, and just recently our numbers changed from 8 to 9. So we've just had a new baby girl born just about a week ago now. Her mum's name is Kriba, and Kriba's a very experienced mother. This is her 5th offspring, and she's got great mothering skills. And the father is our magnificent Kababu, our silverback. Bubby's doing very well, growing every day, and we've decided on a name finally. It comes with a little bit of group discussion, but we've now named her Kipenzi, which means precious one. Kipenzi was born about a week ago on the 15th of January, which was a Saturday. She was born out on exhibit, which is a real treat for all of us here, because normally we come in and we would find gorillas already given birth, bubs already cleaned up, ready to go. So for us to actually witness this, which we did, 2 of our keepers were very lucky to see that and was able to get a close hand on Kriba giving birth. So it was a real exciting time. Western Lowland gorillas are endangered. They're now classed as critically endangered, and this is because there's a lot of deforestation, which is habitat loss in the wild, also the bushmeat trade, and there's illegal mining which is going on for a mineral called coltan. So there's a lot of destruction happening in their actual environment. Having a breeding program ensures us for a future for these guys in the wild. The baby and mum will be out on display shortly. At the moment, she is obviously still brand new and still learning the bonds and ties with mum, so people do need to be patient and also a little bit thoughtful when they do visit here. Gorillas as a species are a very shy and quiet species, so for these guys to come out with a newborn, it's always going to be a little bit daunting. So we will be able to see the gorillas, but you just got to be a little bit patient with our species here.